Hey guys, this is your buddy Rome. In this video, we're going to take a look at this Acer magnetic privacy screen. This is for the MacBook Air 13-inch. So this is going to provide you with a double-sided screen. It has your privacy, your UV protection. It has basically the snap-on type of features. And it also has this magnetic anti-static feature built into it as well. So let's open this up and see exactly what we get in the box. All right, guys, so in the box, you're going to get two of these screen cleaners. You get these tools, basically these little pads and stickies for cleaning your screen to make sure you get all the dirt and lint and things like that out. And that also comes with an alcohol pad, as you guys can see here. All right, so here are the pads. As you guys can see, you actually get two of those in the bundle. But we're going to just look at one of them. So we're going to just open this guy up real quick here and see exactly what it looks like. So it is well protected, as you guys can see. And inside here, this is the actual screen. So to see how that works. Now this just magnetically connects onto your MacBook. And let's position that about right there. Slide it over, and you still have your cutout right here for your camera. But as you see, from this perspective, the screen is completely blacked out. But if we turn the computer toward us, now we can see everything that's going on the screen. This is a really nice addition, I think, for a lot of people, especially when you're concerned about your emails or documents or banking documents that you might be, looking at in an environment you don't want other people to be able to see it. I think this is going to be an excellent addition to your laptop. So let me turn this way so you guys can see how that works. Again, let's tilt it a little bit more. And you guys see how that completely blacks out from the side. So someone trying to, side eye what's going on in your computer, this is going to be a win. Now, of course, you can go in and raise the brightness level of your display if you want to, and you'll still be able to see this just as clearly from your perspective, okay? But again, from their perspective, it's going to be completely blacked out. So, yes, I like this. I think this will be an excellent addition to anyone who works in coffee shops, that is in environments, on planes, trains, whatever the case may be, where you're concerned about privacy. I think this is going to be an excellent addition to your MacBook Air. All right, guys, it's been your buddy Rome Knows Tech. I just want to do a quick video showing you guys this really cool product that I think anyone can benefit from. And again, this is very easy to detach. You can just pull it like so and quickly remove it. And just as easily, you can pop that guy right back on there. So that's going to travel really well with you. All right, guys, I'll see you all in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Peace. I'm out.